Hi my peeps, what's up, wagwan? Welcome back to your girl Tiana in the house. Guys, please remember to leave your girl a little bit of like and subscribe for other amazing content. Now this is part 2 into making my turmeric sea moss gel. Alright, so this is it over here. It's cooling and I have a little bit in my blender. And now I'm gonna add some flavor to it. We're gonna make some carrot mango smoothie. Antioxidants, vitamins, it's gonna clean and build your immune system. All right guys, so let's get into this video. Yeah, lower. So I have about maybe quarter cup of sea moss here, and I shred some carrots, about 1/3 cup. All right, you can put about half of banana in this one, half finger. We're gonna add some mangoes, about a cup of mango. All right my peeps, so this is it. I add about a cup of mango. All right, and if your mangoes are sweet, you don't need any sweetener. All right, but you can add like a teaspoon or 2 of honey. All right my peeps, so we're gonna put some unsweetened almond milk, and I'm gonna put about a cup, something like that, and we're gonna blend. You don't need any ice because the mango is frozen. All right, so it's gonna look something like that. We're gonna cover it up. Oh, I'm gonna put a little squeeze of whoops, that's too much, about a tablespoon of ginger juice. You can use pieces of ginger. And just blend until it becomes creamy. All right, right, super creamy, super delicious. Ugh. Let's just pour some in, and I'm just gonna put my sea moss gel right here. I'm gonna pour some in. Look at that goodness, guys. Let's pour some in. That's it. Super thick, super healthy right there. And that's it guys. Try it and tell me how it tastes. You can use more or less of the ingredients. All right, but half cup to a cup of mango, or a cup of unsweetened almond milk, or the sweetened one, it's up to you. A cup of mango. So as I was saying, about a cup of almond milk to a cup of mango to about 2 to 3 tablespoons of sea moss gel, a little bit of ginger, and blend that well. All right guys, and I also will leave a link how to make my sea moss turmeric gel. All right, so this smoothie is gonna be turmeric, sea moss, mango, almond. All right, and a little bit of carrot. All right, love upon me and I love upon you. More recipe coming. All right guys, have a good day. Bye guys. Oh, I gotta taste it. All right guys, let's taste it. Oh my god, it looks so refreshing and nice. Super healthy, super good. Let me show you how thick it is. And this one is not sweet. All right guys, if you want it really sweet, you can add maybe a tablespoon of honey, or maybe a half to a finger of ripe banana. Bye guys.